Figuring out how to be a good conversationalist requires some training. With the help of a few of these suggestions, you can practice and learn how to unwind and have an awesome discussion with almost anyone. Number 3. Comment on your environment. Having the occasional discussion with an acquaintance is a fantastic approach to enhance your skills as a conversationalist. Take some time every day to attempt to begin a discussion with somebody you experience in your regular daily existence. For instance, you could have a go at conversing with the person in line behind you at your neighborhood coffee shop. Make a remark about your environment. This will appear to be casual and is an awesome approach to begin talking. Have a go at saying, "I love the latte here. What's your favorite?" This demonstrates you are keen on talking and you are starting the discussion in an entirely casual manner. Strike a positive tone. Offering a lively remark is usually more compelling than saying something negative. You could state something like, "Isn't this cold weather awesome? It's nice when it's cozy enough to wear sweaters." Look around and check whether there is anything worth calling attention to. You could talk about places in the area or different events. Here are some examples. "This is a perfect room. Such unbelievable cooking. I adore this view. Beautiful animal." Number 2. Work on being an attentive person. Being an attentive person implies that you are reacting to the other individual and exhibiting that you are enthusiastic about the exchange. You can show that you are effectively listening through both physical and verbal prompts. Undivided attention influences the other individual to feel esteemed and regarded, which is critical when attempting to create productive discussions. You can tell somebody that you are listening by utilizing positive, non-verbal communication. Make sure to make eye contact throughout the conversation. Also, try nodding or shaking your head at appropriate times. You can give verbal prompts to tell somebody that you are occupied with the discussion. They can be as basic as, "This is intriguing," or more significant. For example, "I didn't realize that. Would you be able to disclose to me more about what it physically feels like when you're running a marathon?" Another approach to show that you are effectively listening is to rehash a portion of the discussion. Have a go at summarizing. For instance, you can state, "How fascinating that you are investigating some new volunteer opportunities. It sounds like you are really amped up for having a go at something new." Remember that active listening is tied in with holding and thinking about what the other individual is saying. Rather than attempting to detail your reaction, concentrate on hearing what they are saying and retaining the details. Number 1. Pose significant questions. It only takes 2 individuals to have an awesome discussion. Make a point to do your part and efficiently take an interest in the conversation. One of the best approaches to do this is to ask questions that will enable the talk to grow normally. Ask open-ended questions. Rather than saying, "It's a beautiful day, isn't it?" say, "How do you intend to enjoy this beautiful day?" The first illustration just requires a yes or no answer, which could be a deadlock for the discussion. Make questions that need more than a single word. Create questions that reinforce what the other individual is saying. Ask an open-ended question. A great many people love to discuss themselves. It's your place, as a great practicing conversationalist, to make them talk. An open question requires a clarification of an answer instead of only a straightforward yes or no. Open questions tend in any case to contain who, when, what, why, where, and how, while closed questions tend to begin with do, have, and is, am, are. Closed questions are, do you like books? Have you at any point been to this college? Is spring your most loved season? Am I interrupting? And do you come here regularly? Open questions are, what kind of books do you like? What did you study here at college? Which is your most loved season? Why? And what are you doing now? Know how to join general comments with open-ended questions. Asking questions that have a detailed reply are especially useful, as they can be followed up with the great open-ended question, why?